Okay guys, so in this video, we're going to be speaking about different industries to trade and different pairs to trade. Okay, so the different industries are commodities. Well, to be honest, you can really trade anything you want. Anything you want to trade is tradable. But what we're going to be focused on here is commodities like gold, oil, silver, sugar, wheat, barley, currencies. So for example, like the euro, the dollar, the pound, crypto, mainly Bitcoin, Ethereum, stock indices like US 30, NASDAQ, and that's really mainly what we're going to be focused on. So I'm going to be teaching you guys a strategy, just the strategy that you guys can now apply to any industry, if that makes sense. So I'm here to teach you how to trade any industry that you like, okay? With crypto, it mainly works for the main ones that have utility. So don't expect to use this strategy on a next coin that just came out. That's probably going to be a rug pull, you know. Only use it for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the big major stable coins. Okay, so let's get into the currencies. Okay, so we're going to be focused a little bit more on that just for the beginning. So I want you guys to know that with currencies, there are three things. There's something called major pairs, minor pairs, and exotic pairs. But for now, let's just focus on the major and the minor pairs. So what are major pairs? Major pairs are those currencies that are predominantly known around the world everywhere. Okay, so I'm going to put up an image right now on the screen of some major pairs and some minor pairs. So the major pairs are Euro USD. When you see the slash, that basically means the euro versus the US dollar. What is the value of the euro compared to the value of the US dollar? So for 1 euro, how much so for 1 euro, what would the value of 1 US dollar be compared to 1 euro? For example, if the value of the dollar is higher than the euro, let's say for example 1 euro, if I was to exchange 1 euro into dollars, I would get 1 euro, I would get $1.15, for example. That means what? The dollar is stronger than the euro. That's all it means, okay? So some major pairs are Euro USD, USD JPY, Japanese yen, okay? GBP USD, the Great British Pound versus the US dollar, USD CAD, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, USD CHF, the US dollar versus the Swiss franc, AUD USD, Australian dollar versus the US dollar, NZD USD, the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. So those are some of the major pairs. The minor pairs are Euro GBP, okay, you guys know what that means now, GBP CAD, Euro CHF, GBP AUD, the Australian dollar, Euro CAD, GBP CHF, Euro AUD, NZD JPY, Euro NZD, AUD JPY, Euro JPY, CAD JPY, GBP JPY, CHF JPY, okay? And some exotic pairs are Euro TRY, USD SEK. You don't really need to know any of that stuff because I'm pretty sure you won't be trading it, as it's not as lucrative as the major pairs and the minor pairs, okay? So that's a brief introduction into major and minor pairs. So now let's get into the different sessions.